This video is about Peregrino Series time, two different types of place value. So before to proceed, Peregrino Series time, the future chronograph. So here's our clock illustration. Peregrino Series time clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Peregrino Series time clock have only 10 o'clock. 1 is 10 per seconds or per minutes. 2 is 20 per seconds or per minute. 3 is 30 per seconds or per minute. 4 is 40 per seconds or per minutes. And 5 is 50 per seconds or per minutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Series time, or 6 per hours, 44 per minutes, and 17 per seconds. The one full day of the Peregrino Series time is 20 per hours. One full day, 20 per hours. 100 per seconds is 1 per minute, and 100 per minutes is 1 per hour. So, 1 per minute is composed of 100 per seconds, and 1 per hour is composed of 100 per minutes. So, time equivalent. Time equivalent, Peregrino Series time to standard time. 1 per hour is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 per seconds is equal to 0.432 second standard time. And 1 per minute is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. So, our place value. The time is 0.0123456789 per hours, or 1 per minute, 23 per seconds, 456 milli per seconds, and 789 nano per seconds. Again, the time is 0.0123456789 per hours, or 1 per minute, 23 per seconds, 456 milli per seconds, and 789 nano per seconds. So, the place value, okay, the first type of place value, vertical position place value. When 0 is tens of per minutes, 1 is ones of per minute, 2 is tens of per seconds, 3 is ones of per seconds, 4 is hundreds of milli per seconds, 2 is tens of milli per seconds, then 6, again, 5 is tens of milli per seconds, 6 is ones of milli per seconds, 7 is hundreds of nano per seconds, again, 7 is hundreds of nano per seconds, 8 is tens of nano per seconds, and 9 is ones of nano per seconds. So our place value, first type, no? So, another type of place value, per hour place value. Place value and vertical position. Point. 0 is 10 of per hour. 1 is 100 of per hour. 2 is 1,000 of per hour. 3 is 10,000 of per hour. 4 is 100,000 of per hour. 5 is million of per hour. 6 is 10 million of per hour. 7 is 100 million of per hour. 8 is billion of per hour. And the 9 is 10 billion of per hour. So, that's all. And thank you so much.